Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing Ganesha EA, an automated trading system developed by Tuti Imelda. Now, based on the information available on the MQL5 Marketplace page, this is an MT5 expert advisor designed primarily for XAUUSD, which is gold, and GBPUSD. Starting with the marketplace overview, Ganesha EA is currently priced at 299 US dollars with a 1 month rental option available for 49 US dollars. The current version listed is version 1.1, and the product includes 5 activations. As I scroll through the description, the developer explains that the EA is built around trend determination, market structure analysis, and supply and demand concepts and order block levels. So these are the core components highlighted on the marketplace page as the foundation of the trading approach. Another important point mentioned by the developer is that the EA does not use martingale, grid, or similar high-risk recovery techniques. Instead, the system is described as using automatic stop loss and take profit protection for trade management. Looking further into the recommended setup, the developer suggests running Ganesha EA on GBPUSD and XAUUSD using the H1 time frame. The recommended minimum starting deposit is $300, and the EA is intended for use on hedged accounts. The page also recommends account leverage of 1:100 or higher and advises using a VPS to maintain continuous operation. When we move into the settings section, the setup appears relatively simple. According to the information provided, traders mainly need to configure their preferred risk level. The EA includes an auto lots feature that can completely calculate lot size based on the selected risk parameter, while fixed lots trading is also available through the fixed lot setting. Now, transitioning into the backtesting and analysis section, it's important to note that past performance does not guarantee future results. But let's just briefly look at the information provided here. The backtest reports, profit figures, drawdown statistics, and all of that. So we can see here 99% real ticks under the history quality. So from I was checking to see the initial deposit. Okay, initial deposit is $300. We have total net profit of over 1.8 million, an amazing profit factor of 19.94, 405 total trades we are taking, and out of that 405, 378 were profitable trades, giving us a 93.33% win rate. And then I can also see that the relative balance drawdown was 12.57%, and the maximal balance drawdown was 7.07%. Then the equity drawdown maximal was 5.81%, but the equity drawdown relative was 16.37%. All right, the largest profit taken was $123,969.1. Largest loss $28,532.5. The average profit 5,225.24. Average loss 3,668.45. So this shows me that the risk to reward ratio is fair, even though it's not exactly very good enough. But on average, the average risk to reward ratio seems, quite fair. It's roughly probably a little less than 1:1.5 or thereabouts. Now let's just also head over to our strategy tester. Okay, this shows for GBPUSD on the H1 time frame. Let's head over to our strategy tester to see how this EA performed using recent market data just over the past week. All right, after actually about 10 days, within this month of June. So I'm testing the Ganesha EA on XAUUSD on the H1 time frame over the past 10 days, but I recommend that you test it over a longer period of time, actually, for more comprehensive results, so that the EA, so that you can capture a wider range of market conditions. As for the delays, we are using the last ping to the server, and we're using the every tick modeling. So from an initial deposit of $100,000, the total net profit was negative 8,733, and we can see that the total trades taken was just one trade, and well, it was a losing trade, and that loss was over 8.7% of the balance, right? So, well, that doesn't seem to me like a very good risk management. Okay, but what we can observe from the description is that the EA is designed to combine trend identification with market structure analysis and supply and demand concepts while operating on the recommended H1 time frame. The inclusion of automatic stop loss and take profit protection suggests that risk management is built directly into the system's trade execution process. As always, any historical backtest results should be viewed as historical analysis only and not as guarantees of future performance. Okay, actual results can vary depending on market conditions, broker execution, spreads, slippage, leverage, risk settings, lot size choices, and user optimization. Overall, Ganesha EA presents itself as an MT5 trading solution that is focused on gold and GBPUSD with an emphasis on trend-based analysis, structured risk management, and straightforward configuration. So if you are interested in exploring the system further, I would recommend conducting your own testing and optimization on the recommended pairs and time frame before considering live trading. So if you found any value in this video, or if you learned something new, don't forget to like the video, turn on your notifications as well so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content like this, and also subscribe to the channel for more trading insights. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.